Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to package a project in Adobe InDesign. Here, you can see that I have a project open on my screen with multiple pages. Suppose I need to pass it over to another designer or a copywriter to add amended copy or make design changes. For the best possible outcome, it's best to share the project as a package. That way, they have all the elements of the project. The way to package a project in InDesign is to go up to File, then click on Package. This will pop up a dialog box, and here you'll see a summary of everything in the document, including the fonts, the links, the images, and the colors. Take a moment to check that everything looks correct. Click on Package again. If your project is not saved, it will ask you to save the project first. So save the project. Another dialog box will appear, and this is where you choose what files get included. I find the two essentials to be the IDML file and the PDF. The IDML file allows the other designer to open the InDesign file no matter which version of InDesign they're using, and the PDF lets them see exactly what the document is supposed to look like. The rest of the settings can stay as they are. Once you've confirmed all of those settings, go ahead and hit Package. In the pop-up, click on OK. Let's go to our save location. This is our package folder. Let's open it. Here, you'll end up with an InDesign markup file, or the IDML file, which works across different versions of InDesign, the INDD file, which is the original working file, the PDF for reference, and a links folder with all of the images so they can be relinked if needed. And lastly, the document fonts folder, which contains all the fonts that are used in the file. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.